Hi everyone, welcome to Perima's kitchen. My name is Yavi and today my mom's gonna make my favorite pan fried asparagus. Let's get cooking. First add 1 teaspoon of butter to your hot pan and then add your asparagus. You can also add some crushed garlic if you like. Toss the asparagus into the butter and let it fry. Next, season your asparagus with some fine salt and cracked black pepper. Your asparagus will take 5 minutes to be ready. You don't want to over fry it. I like mine crunchy and slightly caramelized. And your asparagus is done. You can add some fresh lemon juice if you want. But my mom is adding some fresh mint today. If you're following the Never Hungry recipes, this is the perfect way to enjoy your asparagus. I hope you love my favorite vegetable as much as I do. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is out. Please like and share, and your comments are very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's kitchen.